So welcome back to TGR. Like always, if you are new to this channel, you'll help me out by just liking this video, subscribing it, and sharing it. And we are still on the topic of vehicle safes. In general, rapid vehicle safes, as in like you can put your handgun and get access to it immediately. We're not talking about like a little lockbox that you put under your seat, situations like that. This is kind of like a safe where you could put your handgun and you'll have quick access to it. So a lot of times what people don't understand is when you start concealed carrying, sometimes it is very hard to do. So a lot of people just prefer to carry even just in the vehicle. Some people are just driving all day. Either whatever situation you're in, on the market, these are the two top safes I've seen. I dare anybody to go look for another vehicle safe that's designed as like console use, and I'll show you like this, that goes by the seat with quick access. Not a homemade safe that somehow you rigged and goes in your vehicle. On the left, we have the Hornady Rapid Vehicle Safe. On the right, we have the Stopbox. So honestly, this thing cost me about, I think it was around $250. Features. It does have a cable, so you could tie it under your seat. It is digital, as it has a touchscreen where you can put a code. Comes with RFID. So basically it came with 2 keychain tags, I think a bracelet. So basically, if I waved it on it, the vehicle safe, like right here, it would just pop out. And it came with a key, so it would lock. Or manually open, however you did it. On the strike box, over here, it has no batteries, no charger, doesn't need to be charged, nothing. So hear that out again. You could just put this in your seat and it works. This, you lose power, you're gonna have to put the key in here. And as you can see, that's not the same as that. Look how nice and big that one is here. It's got a specific way the key has to get in. You lose power to your car, you're not taking that gun out fast, no matter what you're doing. And as speaking of, when I had this on my Durango, I had it on a cigarette lighter that had power nonstop. So if you have it on a vehicle that once your car's off and it has no life, well, you are kind of screwed in that situation. Now it does have a little bit of internal battery, but once again, how long was the last time you drove the car? It could have just died. And the only cool thing about it, in here, it had a light. So if you didn't close it right, it stayed lit up red, letting you know. Once it opened, it did have an LED light. You could see the handgun. It's awesome. Feature-wise, awesome. Let me show you why it does not compare anything to this. So, off the bat, you can see the size difference. This right here is so much slimmer. Look at this. That's it. And you got the thing that holds by the seat. And you got this big behemoth. I'm only keeping it like that because this is the only thing keeping it standing. Let me show you what else this comes with. That was just a deal breaker for me, and stay away from this one. Trust me, it sounds cool because of all the features it has, but let me show you what else it comes with. So it comes with this ring. I'll show you what this ring is for. And it comes with this. Yeah. This is what keeps it to the side. Now, let me show you what I mean. So I'll put this over here. Just like I said, that one can stay by itself. Okay? Basically just, that I could move that in a vehicle instant. So, depending on where you wanted to mount this, you could mount this on the driver's side, you could mount this on the passenger side. So this thing extended pretty far out compared to where this one just sits. This one would extend past over here. Now, that would go there. And like I said, depending on what side, I'm just putting it sideways because if I put it this way, I'm kind of kicking my tripod. This goes like that, and that goes over it. And then basically you would grab this little pump, close the needle, and pump it. And it would pump like that. So I'm building there's a little airbag here that gets built, and it wedges between the console and your seat. So that was great in the summertime. Wintertime came, all the air would deflate out of this. So the whole safe would just be sagging. So every time I got in my car, I had to pump it. I had to do this all the time, every time in winter. So if you live in a cold state already, off the bat, bad purchase. Stay away from it. That's reason number one. Reason number two is it came with this. Now in the instructions, it doesn't tell you. It's a first time use. Awesome. It was okay. I was past my return period, and it's the only reason why I stayed with this safe. Other than that, I would have returned this thing right away. Have I known all these issues of it. And basically, this plastic gets wedged in here, between here, and it comes with these right here. Now the plastic at first has it's just a perfect round hole that this can barely sit on. So as you're tightening it, it's biting into this and biting into this and bringing it in as one. Now, when you loosen it, they got stuck like this. So now they no longer want to bite into the old one because now the hole is the size of this. So it basically just sits off. So if I wanted to swap it from, like I said, being mounted on the driver's side to going on the passenger side, it can't no more. I actually tried to remount this up again onto my vehicle, but it just keeps falling because of this. Because of these designs, it just falls off. It won't stay on the safe no more. So this is what you get, that safe, which is huge. You get this big pad, it has air. You got to inflate it every time, especially in cold weather. When you get in your vehicles, you have to hold your safe, inflate it, and it stays how you want it. You get all that. You got to worry about this ring. You got to worry about this has power. You got to worry about it being charged. And look at how huge this is. Let me put this down. Okay, so look at the size of that. Look at the size of this. Off the bat, much smaller. Look at the size of this. Would you prefer to have this? Or would you prefer to have this? And this thing is heavy. It's not even attached to the other piece, which has a plastic to it, like on the inner. This piece is heavy. Or just this, where you could just have that, wedge it in your seat with your cable lock it under your seat. You have your pair of keys, right? No batteries, no nothing. Like that. And that's it, just easy as that. I mean, I don't think that's a no-brainer. I'm going with the Stopbox Strike. And you got your nice set of keys, which I'm going to put on a separate keychain. So anybody out there looking for, and like I said, this was ready to install out the box. If you haven't seen the full unboxing and what comes with it, at the end of the video, I will have a link to that video as well. That's it. That's how it comes. So if you're looking into this, considering this, don't be sold by the features. The features sound amazing, you know. RFID tags. You get to put it in your combo. It has an internal battery so you can open it. It has a key. It opens. You can put it on the driver's side. You can put it on the passenger side. Awesome. Features sound great. It blows this out the water feature-wise. But the uniqueness of this box right here. And once again, I tried to reach out to Strikebox and I was unsuccessful. I didn't even have to review this, you know. But I am sharing this with you because as somebody that's been searching for a vehicle safe, nonstop, something rapid like this. Sure, I am telling you guys, you can buy a magnet that's $20 from Amazon, mount it under your dash, have your handgun there. Great. Get pulled over with that handgun looking like that, you're not about to have a great time. Or you could have this to the side, and if you got pulled over, I would honestly lock this so I accidentally didn't hit that. And it's there. You go to the store, your handgun's still in there. It's locked. You go somewhere you can't carry, your handgun's in there. It's locked. You don't have to grab a box, put your handgun in, lock it, put it under your seat. All that. And then if you get back in your car and you're like, I forgot to take my handgun out of under the seat. Well, now you're driving and it's a little too late for that. Or you could just carry it like that. Like I said, this was about $2.59. When I got this was $2.99. I bought it because I got tired of looking. I couldn't find anywhere to find something even close or remotely to this. You cannot find it. The only two vehicle safes I've ever found were this strike box that I should have bought from the very beginning, but I was blown away with the features this had, and big mistake. Because now I'm stuck with this, and sure, maybe I could figure out a way to mount this on the wall on the desk, and it'll be a cool safe. But as a vehicle safe, this thing's done. Because I can't even mount it on here. The whole safe depends on these two little plastic trims. And now, as you can see, look at the holes. This is what I mean. So once it grabs the first time, that's it. It's like you can never take this off. So it's done. So yeah, awesome. I got a $250 safe that I can't even mount in my car again. Or I could just buy this. This is how it came. Ready to go. Bump it with your knee. Your handgun's gonna be ready for you. So I hope this helps you out. Buy this. I know I didn't want to pay the price for it. I bought it. Don't regret it. If you want to see, I am actually going to do an install video on this on my 2019 Dodge Durango. Hopefully that helps you out in making a decision for a vehicle safe. Yes, it's a lot of money, but this is something that's going to be with you in a car. I could take this out the car. If you didn't put the cable lock on it, you could just literally carry it. You want to leave your handgun in there? You take it out and it's still locked. Take it out. It's still locked. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So it's like a car safe and a safe. You take it with you. So hopefully this helps you out. Anybody looking for a vehicle safe, I would go with this 100%. Like I said, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Helps me out. Like, share this video, and watch the next video where I install this and show you how it works in my vehicle. So other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one.